I'm very happy to share the joyful moments of the Varalakshmi Puja we celebrated in our home in New Jersey, US in the year 2010. Basically, this Varalakshmi Puja we celebrate to get the blessings of Lakshmi and bring prosperity to home. And usually, this puja is celebrated in the month of Adi or Avani in Tamil calendar, and in the month of August, usually in the English calendar. And this year we celebrated in August 27th and 28th. That's on a Friday and a Saturday. Typically on a Friday we invite the Lakshmi to our home on Friday early morning, and then we do the puja. And after on Saturday we do the Punar Puja, and in the Saturday evening we invite all the ladies and give the Tambulam. Tambulam is nothing but the Vettalai and Seval we give to them, and that's how the puja is celebrated. And then when we celebrate the puja, we usually do a lot of decorations, and then keep the Amman happy, which she deserves. And here you could see there is a table wherein we have done the decorations, and I'm going closer to the decorations here. Here you can see the red color ribbon on top of the table head, and also the electric lights around the table. And you could also see the pink color, the hearts, which is basically a ribbon which are decorated. And then this decoration is being done around the table, around all the four legs of the table. Now I'm going closer to the Amman. Here we decorate the Amman with the the pattu pavade, which is the silk sari, and then also we decorate the Amman with the earrings, nose rings, no jewelries, all the jewelries with the necklace and everything. And and also when we make this decoration for the Amman, we have actually a plate on the wooden wooden square, wherein this plate is an aluminum plate. And I'm just going closer to the aluminum plate. And also you can see the rice spread on the plate. We have a plate, and then we spread the rice on the plate, and then we on top of the rice we put the kalasam. I'm going to capture the kalasam. Kalasam is nothing but a sombu, which is made of silver. Here you can see I guess you could be able to see the sombu very clearly now, right? And we keep the coconut on top of this kalasam. I think you could see that coconut now. And in front of the coconut we have the Amman here, right? The Amman is decorated with the earrings and all the jewelries and the necklace. And the entire decoration this year is done by my awesome wife Vidya, or we call her Vidya in home, and Gayatri. And here I am going to do capture the other decorations done by her. Basically this decoration is the Jadai I am going to capture. Jadai is basically the hair of Amman, and I'm trying to capture this very closely. The Jadai is being decorated with ribbon and a red rose. I think it's not coming out clearly, but let me see how far I can capture this. These are the small things which Amman deserves, and she'll be very happy with that. And then I'm going to capture the other things now. The other prasadams which we did when we celebrated the puja, this is the apple and the orange fruit and banana, and also the coins which we use for the puja, and akshada, and all the deep. Okay, to conclude, and then this is on a Saturday now, on August 28th in 2010, and we did the Punar Puja this morning, and all went on well. And today evening we are going to invite all the ladies and then give tambulam, and then at the end of the day we keep the Amman on a rice bag, so that the rationale behind is that Amman will always stay with us, and then she will bless us to bring prosperity and all goodness to the family. And this is a custom being celebrated in the Hindu family every year, as I said earlier, in the month of Onyar Avadi and in the month of August on a Friday and a Saturday. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. Hope to see your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.